Hi guys, you're welcome to the channel for today. In this video, I'll be showing you quickly how you can add a custom background to your DaVinci Resolve video. So I already had this video I was editing for the YouTube channel. I just wanted to give it a different touch. So I'll be adding a little bit of background just to give it a bit of a nice touch. So let's say you have an image. It's always recommended that you should insert your image as the first video file on your DaVinci Resolve. So in this case, the first image video file will be video one, should be maybe the image you'd like to have as your background, or the video you'd like to have as your background, or the color you'd like to have as your background. So other videos and images in your video file, it gets lead on that one. So that one feels like the base video file. So that is our video. I'm just going to stretch it so that it goes it fills up the timeline, and then we have that. So I'll just play it just so you see the video is
Here
not
is a
short.
step-by-step guide on how to
So
back up
it's
WhatsApp
really
on
that
your
simple.
iPhone.
And you could, this is more static. You could have a moving footage, as we mentioned, and it literally just goes the same way. Now let's imagine you wanted to use a color. So you come to generators, you come to effects. Uh, so under toolbox, you could either select effects, but instead you'll be using generators, and then you'll be choosing any of these backgrounds, either a solid color background. So if you used a solid color background, you insert that, and then you drag it all through your timeline, and you have that. So when you are showing your
You
video,
unlock your device to here
so
is
yeah, so after you are done with that, you can come somewhere here to change the color of the background, and it's pretty straightforward. Just change the color of the background, and as soon as you are done changing the color of the background, it basically just fits into your video file. And that is if you would like to use a solid color. In case you like to use any other colors or any other styles, so let's try to delete this again. Let's try to delete this again. Okay, a minute. Okay, let me just control. And then you could also have a texture background. So you could add the texture background, drag it through your file, and you have
app
that.
from your home
You
screen.
can adjust settings on your texture background from this area. So you could give it any type of setting you would like. Just you just play with your imagination and just play around with it. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, and pretty easy to do. Let me know if you like this video. You can subscribe if you found value from the video. Thank you and have a great day.